Hello everyone, today I am going to explain Leetcode question number 2529, maximum count of positive integer and negative integer. Given an array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, return the maximum between the number of positive integers and the number of negative integers. In other words, if the number of positive integers in nums is pos and the number of negative integers is neg, then they return the maximum of pos and neg. What they given question? They given one nums of sorted in ascending order. Just we need to return the which is maximum, the positive or negative, which is maximum. Just we need to return. And they told one note they given zero is neither positive nor negative. Means just we need to ignore the zeroth value. In example 1, nums equals to -2, -1, -1. These three values are negative and 1, 2, 3 are positive. Here among these two are 3, 3. Positive also 3 and negative also 3. Among which with one we can return. In example 2, zeroth value we need to ignore and 1 and 2 is 2. Count value is 2, positive value is 2 and -3, -2, -1. These are negative, count value is 3. With the maximum is negative, count value is 3 that we are returning. In example 3, 5, 20, 66, 1314, all values are positive, so our count value will be 4. Now we can enter into the code. We give one function as maximum count. We are passing the parameters vector of int and address of nums. And we taken two variables, positive and negative. We are storing the zeroth value. After that, we have taken one for loop for iterating all the vector elements. The first part is initialized I to 0 and the second part checks if the I is less than nums dot size of the nums vector, and the third part increments the value of I by 1. This will iterate through the nums of vector by using the nums of I. If it is greater than 0, then the positive will be incremented. If the nums of I is less than 0, then the negative count value will be incremented. After traversing all the vector elements, just we are returning which is maximum among them, positive or negative, that value we are returning. We can dry run the program, then we will come to know. We can take second example. When I equals to 0, our nums of 0 value is -3, where -3 is less than 0. So our else if block will work, our negative value will be updated to 1. Now our I value will be incremented to 1. Nums of 1 value is -2. Nums of 1 value is -2, where -2 is less than 0, our negative value will be updated to 2. Our I value will be updated to 2. Nums of 2 value is -1, where -1 is also less than 0, our negative value will be updated to 3. Now our I value will be 4, where 4 is nums of 4 value. What is there? It is 0. Where 0 is less than 0 naught and greater than 0 naught, just it will not enter into our if block. So our I value will be incremented to 5. Where nums of 5, 0. 0 is on the same condition, it will not work. Now our I value will be incremented to 6. Where, where nums of 6 equals to 1, where 1 is greater than 0. Now if block will work. Now positive will be updated to, sorry, positive value will be updated to 1. Now I equals to 7. Nums of 7 equals to 2. Where 2 is greater than 0, our if block will work. Positive will be updated to 2. Now I equals to 8, where the condition will become false, because 8 is less than 8. This condition is false. It will not work. So we are returning the maximum value is which one? Here max of positive count is 2 and negative count is 3. Here the maximum is 3. So we are returning the 3. You can see the output. Okay. Let's run the code. Let's run the code. Yeah, it's finished. We can submit. It is accepted solution. Now we can discuss the time complexity and space complexity. Here time complexity is big of n because we are traversing all the elements in the for loop one after the one. So time complexity is big of n, and space complexity is big of 1 because we are not using any extra amount of space, just we are using only the constant amount of space, so it is big of 1. Thank you for watching my video.